There are some fans at the Starbucks section of Universal Studios. Yeah. There's 3 fans outside of the Margaritaville, outside of Islands of Adventure. Yeah. That's it. There's a big ass haiku ceiling fan. I think it's a haiku. And there's another one over there. There are two HVLS fans. I don't know the name of them. Outside of the Jurassic Park Velocicoaster. So here are some big ass haikus. Big ass haiku ceiling fans.
Okay.
Some more big ass haiku. Another big ass haiku. Oh, they're everywhere. They're over here. All big ass haiku. And then there's some more back there. A brownish. Here's some big ass haiku fans again. That one is off. And that one is also off. And then the ones over there have brownish finish over there. This one's a black finish. That one is a brown finish. Or wait, maybe I'm just colorblind and those are actually just normal finishes. Yeah, these are normal. That's a brown finish. Here is a fan inside a shelter. So yeah, here's a fan in the shelter. I don't know what it is. There are some fans inside a shelter at Universal Islands of Adventure. There are some fans over here. And Popeye's Bill Frat Barges. The entrance section. Here are the fans upstairs. So here. And we have a big ass haiku. Yeah, these fans are different. That's a haiku right there. Alright, that's it. I'll film the train ride video later. Unknown ceiling fans here.